Once you've made your choice, pick a date that you'd like us to come and install. Remember that if you order before 3 p.m, we can usually install the next day. You'll also be offered discounts if you choose a day that's less busy. You can pay up front using our secure online payment system or on finance from as little as £12 per month. After you've ordered, we'll ask you to send in a few photos of your home just to make sure that everything's going to run smoothly on the day. Then sit back and relax. Your installer is on their way. Your materials and accessories will also be delivered on the morning of the installation. Once we finish the installation, we'll make sure that you know how to control your new boiler, as well as taking away the old one and any debris. We'll register your installation for a building control certificate and automatically activate your warranty for you, giving you total peace of mind. So, take a look at the boilers below, choose the one that's right for you, and we'll take care of the rest.